Tracking leaves in an efficient way is really a challenging task. In case your organization is small, you might not be facing the challenges. But what if organization is big with lots of employees? In today's video, we will see how to create annual leave tracker in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching OfficeChamp. Let's start the video without any delays. This is an annual leave tracker which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On the top, we have got month and year. And just below that, we have got the option to select our week offs. Currently, our week offs are Saturday and Sunday. And both my days are highlighted over here in the right hand side. If I change my week offs from here, I'll click on the drop down and we'll select Friday. So my Fridays and Sundays got highlighted. If I'll click over here and we'll select Saturday, now my Fridays and Saturdays got highlighted. In case you have got just one week off, just click on the drop down and select none over here. And just one day will be highlighted. In case you don't want to highlight any days, just click on the drop down and select none over here also. And none of the days will be highlighted. On the top right hand side, we have got our holidays. When the month and year will change, all the holidays will change automatically. To do the entry of leaves, we can click on the drop down and select the desired leaves. And the selected leaves will be highlighted. When we come to right hand side, over here we have got the summary. For 12 months, we have got 12 sheets. And in the end, we have got the annual summary. Whatever entry will be done in the months, it will be automatically captured in annual summary sheet. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook. Over here we have got just a single sheet. I'll rename the sheet. This will be settings. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select C also. We'll change the cell color. We'll create borders. This will be dates and this will be holidays. We'll select both and we'll change the font color. We'll increase column size of holidays. Over here we have to create our holidays list for the whole year. I'll take the holidays list from my example file. I have taken all the holidays from my example file. In case you want to take from Google, you can. One thing to keep in mind, in the very beginning we should have dates and just after dates we should have holidays name, and it can't be reversed because we will be using VLOOKUP. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. Now I'll insert another sheet. This will be January. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. We'll drag it down. We'll change the cell color and we'll change the font color also. We'll create borders. This will be January and over here we will put our year, that is 2025. We'll click just under year and we'll select next cell also and we'll merge this together. We'll select next cell also and we'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll leave both the cells selected. We'll go to Data tab. In Data tab, we get Data Validation in the center. We'll click on Data Validation. Over here we get three options: Settings, Input Message and Error Alert. We will go to Settings. Just under Setting, we can see any value. We'll click on the drop down and we'll select List from here. Source. Over here I'll type name of my weekdays. But in the very beginning, I'll be typing none. N-O-N-E, none, comma, Monday, comma, Tuesday, and in the same way, I'll type till Sunday. Once done, I'll click on OK, and my drop-down list got created. I'll select Saturday, and over here I'll select Sunday. We'll select both the cells, we'll go to Home, and we'll align this in center. We'll click on Month, and we'll select till Saturday and Sunday. We'll change the font style. We'll select Arial Black. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click on Saturday and we'll select none over here. And over here also I'll select none. Now I'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab. In Home tab, we get conditional formatting in the center. I'll click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here I'll type none. We'll click on drop down, customize format. In customized format, we get four options: number, font, border, and fill. I'll go to fill. Background color. I'll click on drop down and we'll select a desired color. Now I'll go to font and from here I'll change the font color. We'll select the same color what is of our cell and we'll do OK.
In this way, our fonts will not be visible. We'll do OK. So whenever it will be none, nothing will be visible. But whenever we will select any weekday or weekend, it will be highlighted in red. Now I'll click just after month. We'll select next cell also. And we'll select till Sunday. We'll merge this together. This will be holidays. We'll change the cell color. We'll do it yellow. We'll change the font style. We'll keep as Arial black. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click just under Saturday. We'll select next cell also and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll drag this till holidays. We'll create borders. We'll create borders over here also. This will be serial number, employee code, employee name. We'll increase the column size. This will be designation and this will be department. In case you want to add anything more, you can. Serial number 1, 2. We'll select both and we'll drag it down. We'll keep till 10. Employee code. I'll take some random codes. We'll drag it down. Employee name. Name 1. We'll drag it down. Designation. Manager. Team member. We'll adjust the column size. We'll drag it down. Department. I'll take department as operations. We'll drag it down. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A and we'll create borders. Now I'll click just in front of department and we'll insert the formula for first date. Formula of first date will be totally different from rest of the dates. And the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close. And I'll click on month's name and I'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some random figure. I'll click on the random figure. We'll select few extra cells from the right hand side. We'll press Ctrl 1. Format cell dialog box will open. We'll go to date. And from here I'll select a desired date format. And we'll do OK. And my date format got changed. I'll click just under date and we'll insert the formula for day. And the formula will be plus or equal to text. Bracket open. I'll click on date, comma, double inverted comma, D means D 3 times. Double inverted comma close, bracket close, and I'll hit enter. And I got Wednesday over here. Now I'll click just after first date and will insert the formula for second date. And the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, logical test. I'll click on very first date. We'll press F4 or function F4 3 times and in this way dollar will be inserted just before the cell reference. Is smaller than EO month means end of the month, bracket open. Start date. I'll click on first date. First date is not visible, so I'll click on first day and by the help of up arrow key I'll go up. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the cell reference will be totally logged, comma 0, bracket close, comma, we'll select first date once again, plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. The months which have days less than 31, it will be blank. For an example, in the month of February, we have got days till 28th or 29th. So after 28th or 29th, it will be automatically blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got our second date. We'll click on first day and we'll drag on second also. We'll click on top of first date. We'll select few extra cells and we'll merge this together. Over here we will insert the formula for holidays and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. Date will be our lookup value, comma, table array. I'll go to my setting sheet where I have got my holidays list. I'll select my holidays list from top. We'll press F4 or function F4 and my range will be logged, comma, column index number. Selection of VLOOKUP started from dates. So dates became column index number 1 and name of holidays became column index number 2. I'll put 2 over here, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And I got name of first holiday and that is New Year. We'll go to Home tab. We'll come in the center. In the center, we get the option of orientation. I'll click on drop down and we'll select rotate text up. We'll decrease the font size. What will happen if I'll drag this to right? We got NA error. because on 2nd January we haven't got any holiday. So to avoid any error, we will use if error over here. In case you want, you can use if NA also. We'll click over here. Now I'll double click on my formula. We'll come in the beginning of formula and we'll insert the criteria of if error. If error, bracket open, we'll come to the end, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this to right and my NA error got vanished. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll create borders. Over here I'll put some color. We'll change the font color. Now I'll click on my first holiday. We'll go to home. We'll come in the center, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule equal to. From the drop down I'll select not equal to and over here I'll type double inverted comma twice. In Excel we use double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color and we'll change the font color and we'll do OK. OK. So our first holiday got highlighted in yellow. Now I'll click just under day. We'll select second date also and we'll select till bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting. We'll come down and we'll click on new rule. From here I'll select classic. In case you are using Windows, you'll not be getting the option of classic. You'll be diverted to next step and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this down. We'll click on first holiday. Conditional formatting automatically locks the cells. And over here, our cell reference that is G2 got logged automatically. We'll remove the dollar from beginning. Means we will remove the dollar from the beginning because we have to highlight the column is greater than blank. For blank, I have inserted double inverted comma twice. So how the formula is going to work? If the cell on top will be greater than blank, it means whenever it will not be blank, my column should be highlighted. Otherwise, it should not be highlighted. I'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format. We'll go to fill and from here I'll select blue color and font color will be white and we'll do OK. OK. And just notice my very first holiday, that is New Year, the whole column got highlighted. If I'll remove my holiday from here, delete, my highlights also vanished. I'll undo this. Control Z or Command Z. We will highlight our Saturdays and Sundays also. Means we will highlight our week offs. And week offs will be managed from here, from the drop downs. I'll click just under first day and we'll select second day also. And we'll select till bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting. New rule. From here I'll select classic and from the drop down I'll select use a formula to determine which cells to format and the formula will be plus or equal to. We'll take this down. We'll click on very first day. We'll remove the dollar from beginning is equal to. We'll click on very first day from where we are going to manage our week offs. We are not going to remove dollars from here. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, customize format. We'll go to fill. From the drop down, we will select red color and font color will be white. And we'll do OK. OK. Nothing got highlighted because currently we have got Wednesday and Thursday and not Saturday or Sunday. Let's do this Wednesday and Thursday. So our Wednesdays got highlighted. I'll click just under Wednesday and we'll select Thursday also and we'll select till bottom. We'll go to conditional formatting. Now I'll go to manage rules. This is the last rule what I have inserted right now. We'll click on the rule. Now I'll click on duplicate rule. We can see two rules now. Now I'll go to edit rule. We'll come to the bar where we are going to insert our formula. We'll delete our last cell reference from here. We'll take this to right and we'll click on Thursday and we'll do OK. OK. And both the days, Wednesday and Thursday got highlighted. Let's do as Saturday and Sunday. I'll put some color over here also. Now I'll click just after first holiday. We'll select till bottom and we'll drag this till 31st of January. We got our dates till 31st of Jan. We'll click on top of 31st Jan and we'll select till 1st. And we'll adjust the column size. We'll go to Home tab. In Home tab, in center we get the option of wrap text. I'll click on wrap text. So the name of holiday, that is Republic Day, got adjusted within the cell. Now I'll go to View and we'll remove the grid lines. We'll click just after 31st Jan and we'll select next cell also. We'll go to Home tab and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. This will be total leaves. We'll click just after total leaves. This will be holidays. For holidays, we will use the code as H. This will be week offs. For week offs, we will use WO. Whatever code you want to use, you can. Half days, HD. We'll come to right hand side. Absent, A. Casual leave, CL. Privileged leave, PL. We'll adjust the column size. Or let's wrap the text. We'll go to Home tab and we'll wrap the text. We'll adjust the column size. We'll adjust the column size over here also. Sick leave, SL. We'll come to right hand side. Leave without pay. We'll adjust the column size. This will be LWP. Maternity or paternity leave. Code will be ML. We'll come to left hand side. We'll click on total holidays. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key and we'll create borders. Now we will come to right hand side. We'll select the whole sheet. We'll go to Home tab and we'll come to conditional formatting. We'll go to highlight cell rule equal to, and over here we will type H for holidays. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. From here we will select a desired color to highlight our leave code. We'll go to font and we'll change the font color and we'll do OK. OK. So our code of holiday got highlighted in blue. If I'll type H over here, enter, it also got highlighted because we are applying conditional formatting on the whole sheet. We'll delete this. We'll select the whole sheet once again. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and this time I'll type WO for week off. We'll click on drop down, Customize Format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color and we'll change the font color and we'll do OK. OK. So our week offs also got highlighted. In the same way, we will highlight all the leave codes. So all our leave codes got highlighted. Now we will click on holidays. We'll change the cell color and we'll change the font color. In the same way, we will change all the cell colors and font colors. So all the colors got changed. We will come to left hand side. We'll click on top of leaves, means total leaves. We'll increase the column size. We'll select few extra cells and we'll select till extreme right and we'll merge this together. We'll create borders. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll change the font style. We'll select as Arial Black. We'll increase the font size. This will be summary. We'll increase font size a little bit more. Perfect. We'll come to left hand side. We'll click on summary and we'll select till bottom and we'll create borders. Perfect. Now we will come to left hand side. Over here also we will increase the column size. Now I'll click just under first day and we'll type H. Enter. We'll type H over here also. Enter. We'll come to right hand side. Over here also I'll type H and over here also I'll type H. The basic reason behind typing H over here, while selecting my data, I'll just press Shift Control, down arrow key, right arrow key, and this part will be selected. Let's see how. We'll come to left. We'll click over here. We'll press Shift Control, down arrow key, right arrow key. And the data from 1st till 31st got selected. Now I'll go to Data tab. We'll come in the center. In center we get the option of data validation. We'll click over here. We'll come down. We'll click on any value and we'll select list from here. Source. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on the code of holiday and we'll press Shift Control right arrow key and we'll do OK. We'll come to left. We'll leave it selected. We'll go to Home tab and we'll align all the things in center. Now I can delete H from here. Delete. Our drop downs got created. Whatever we want to select, we can. This is our holiday, so we will have to select H. Over here, I'll select half day. This will be CL and all the things are getting highlighted very easily because we had applied conditional formatting on the whole format or whole sheet. Now let's come to right hand side. Now we will insert the formula for our holidays and leaves. and the formula will be plus or equal to countif, bracket open, range, will come to left hand side. We'll click on H and we'll select till 31st. We'll press F4 or function F4 three times and dollar will be inserted just before our cell reference, comma. We'll click on code of holiday. We'll press F4 or function F4 two times and dollar will be inserted just between the cell reference. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got 1. We'll align this in center. Let's drag this down and see what result we are going to get. If there is no value, we can see 0. So I'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll type hash semicolon hash semicolon and I'll do OK. So earlier 0 was visible, now we can't see zeros. Our formulas are over here. We'll click on top and we'll select till bottom and we'll drag this to right. So our formulas got inserted all over. We'll come to left, total leaves. We'll select from top to bottom and we'll align all the things in center. Formula for total leaves will be plus or equal to sum, bracket open. Holidays, week offs, half days and absent are not part of our leaves. So we will select from CL, that is casual leave. We will click over here and we'll select till extreme right, means till ML, maternity leave. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll come to left and we can see total leave as 1. We'll drag this down. Perfect. Now we will come to left. We'll click on our very first holiday. We'll press Shift Control right arrow key. We'll go to borders and we'll do it no border. We'll go to border once again and we'll do as outside borders. Perfect. Now it's looking better. Format of January is ready. We'll come to left. We'll come to sheet's name. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy. We'll take this on top, move to end, create a copy. OK. Copy of Jan got created. This will be February. We'll go on top. We'll remove Jan and we'll type February. Enter. We'll click on 2025. We'll remove 2025. We'll type plus or equal to. We'll go to January sheet and we'll click on 2025. Enter. In this way, whenever we will change our year from January, we'll do this 2026. Enter. It will be automatically changed in rest of the months also. We'll undo this. We'll go to February now. We'll delete all the codes from here. Let's cross check in the right hand side also. Over here we have got no codes. Perfect. So this became February. Now I'll click on February. We'll right click the mouse, move or copy. We'll take this on top, move to end, create a copy. OK. This will be March. We'll go on top and we'll do it March. In the same way, we will do the changes till December. Over here we can see hash error. Hash error is basically not an error. We get this error whenever our cell size is small. We'll adjust the cell size. So we will have to select from 1st till 31st and we'll adjust the cell size. Perfect. And our hash error vanished. Now we will insert sheets till December. So we have done all the changes till December. We have got 2 extra sheets. I'll delete one, delete. And one extra sheet will be annual. Perfect. We'll delete all the dates from annual. We'll keep summary. We'll right click the mouse, delete. We'll click just under leaves. We'll press Shift Control down arrow key, right arrow key. And we'll delete all the formulas. We'll come to left. We'll select row number 2, 3 and 4 and we'll delete all the things. We'll go to home and we'll click on merge and center. And all the cells which were merged got unmerged. Now I'll delete row number 3 and 4. Delete. Now I'll click on B2 and we'll select till D. We'll merge this together. We'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. We'll click on E and we'll select F also. And we'll change the cell color. We'll change the font color. Now we will select till end and we'll merge this together. Means merge and center. We'll drag this down. We'll click over here, plus or equal to. We'll go to December sheet and we'll click on year. Enter. And we got 2025. We'll click just after 2025. This will be annual summary. We'll select the whole row. We'll go to Home tab and we'll change the font style. We'll do as Arial Black. We'll increase the font size. Perfect. Now I'll click just under total leaves and our formula will be plus or equal to sum. Bracket open. We'll go to the sheet of January. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on total leaves of first employee. We'll press shift. We'll come down and we'll click on December sheet. And in this way, all the sheets will be automatically connected. Now I'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We can see one over here. Now I'll drag it down and we'll drag this to right. Now whenever we will do any entry in our months, it will be automatically updated in annual summary sheet. I'll come to left and our format is ready now.
I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.